Changes have been had, apparently, with the names and everything when it comes to Ipsy. And today we are unboxing our Ipsy box. It looks to be the same, but is it? I don't know. We will unbox it together. Hey everybody, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, I am finally back in my beauty room filming for you guys. If you guys watched the past couple videos that I put up, I was in the garage because we were in the midst of adopting one of the street cats that I feed, and he is doing absolutely amazing. Queen is she's doing pretty well with the whole, you know, getting to know her little brother, and she's definitely trying to lay down some laws and let him know that she is Queen Bee around here. All in all, I just want to thank you guys so much for all the tips you gave me with Buddy, just giving him time. It was a couple days of the little guy, once he came in the house, was performing concerts for us at 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. And every single one of us in this house absolutely adore our sleep, including a Cutie Kitty Sugar Dumplings. So we were quite annoyed for a couple days. But all in all, he is doing so well. He's not hiding. He is finding his place in the house. Because literally between him and then my kiddo traveling abroad alone, when I tell you this mama heart has been going through it, I've been going through it. So Ipsy actually sent over the November box literally right on time. It's just mom's been crazy, so I'm just now getting around to unboxing this for you guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and unbox the monthly subscription from Ipsy. Because it was sent in PR, this was not customized by me. Ipsy did the customization. Now with that said, we did get the little pamphlet here, and they haven't changed it. We still don't get like the individual items that are in the box and information or price or anything, which is kind of a bummer. But don't forget that you do get to make your customizations for December on the 1st. They do have a QR code, but because this was sent in PR, this won't pertain to me. And let's jump into the first item. The first item in here is a clay oxygenating cleanser by African Botanicals, and right away the first thing I think about when I see this is, oh my gosh, I hope this is so like that 2017 2018 type of cleanser that you would put it on, or that mask, and it would bubble up and everybody loved it, including myself. It would like pop, all that. You guys remember? I'm really hoping that this does that. When I'm reading the back of it, it actually says that it's a cleanser that eliminates impurities, unclogs pores without over drying or irritating, which is super important. It does help to regulate the sebum production, leaving skin nice and soft and matte. I am excited to try this out. I would typically, before, you guys know I would always say as I was aging, my skin had really gotten more on the dry side. But with taking my NAD Plus and glutathione and GHKCU injections, I swear my skin, I mean, you guys can see it. It almost needs powdered again. I've definitely gotten my skin back from being dry to normal, and I am loving it. So I think I'm definitely going to try this out. The only thing I deal with is now my rosacea and sensitive skin. But I'll take it because I'm no longer dealing with dry skin. All right, next in here I see the Dragon's Blood by Rodeo Hyaluronic Drink. It's a hydrate and tone type of spray, which I'm very happy with, which I know sounds probably absolutely absurd because I've complained about, oh my gosh, skincare, blah, blah, blah. Let me just tell you, the past month, most days I do not have makeup on. Most days it's make sure I have my skincare in check. So one thing that I have been doing a ton of, I would say probably close to a year now, is doing a lot of skincare. I've been doing a lot of like skincare drenching, I think is what it's called, where you're using a lot of toners and essence and everything, and I feel like my skin absolutely loves it. It just feels so hydrated and nourished, and I like that this is a spray, because there are times that I will put all of my skincare on and then finish everything off with the Beekman 1802 spray. I love that stuff. So, alright. Moving right along, the next thing that I see in here is the Bad Girl Bang Waterproof Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. This is absolutely one of my favorite mascaras from Benefit. You guys know when I traveled last year, I had the Bad Girl Bang mascara, and I came home and somehow I had freaking lost it. And you know it's a good mascara when I go out and I purchase it again, because it was that life-changing for me. Now, one thing I will say when it comes to a waterproof mascara, I am very funny in particular about not using waterproof mascaras. Now, keep in mind when it comes to this particular subscription, you are getting to customize the choices that are in the box. So with that said, for me personally, if it had been between the regular Bad Girl Bang and the waterproof mascara, I would have went with the regular. Only because with my lashes, I've worked so hard to grow them out, and in the past using waterproof mascaras really dried out my lashes and made them very brittle. So I don't want to chance that again. I'm not saying that this mascara will do that to you by any means. I just don't want to take the chance. So for me, it's one where I will probably have to use just a regular mascara, and then I'll put this on top of it and try it that way, because like I said, it is such a good mascara. All right, next in here I'm seeing by Leith, I think is how you pronounce it. This is actually a brand that we saw last month in the box, and this is a Nourish and Glow lipstick in the shade Peony. And here is the component. So it's a like little plastic. You've got the shade on the bottom. And it's so funny because at first when I see it, I'm like, it's too warm. But then when I swatch it, I see where they came up with the shade name Peony. I do really like that color a lot. I think it's really pretty. It has a little bit of a rose to it. Very comfortable. I know I'm putting it over what I already have on. Yeah, I definitely like this color a lot. This is one that I will keep handy for sure, because I really like the way it feels, the shade, everything. So very pleased with receiving that. Last in here, I am seeing a palette from Moonslice Beauty, Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment palette. Oh, okay. Well, you guys know these shades are right up my alley. Very much neutral, cool tone with warm tone mixes in here. I really like the shade. It's funny because my at first thought when I'm looking at it, I was thinking of one of the Lunar Beauty palettes. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I really like it. These are shades that I could definitely see myself using for sure. And this one's interesting. It's kind of like a Dijon-y mustard or something. It felt really nice doing that swatch. It's so funny because I would never gravitate towards like an orangier shade, but that's where my eye goes to. I do really like the way it's set up as well. We've got like the nice cool tones over here. You've got a great mix of mattes and shimmers. I don't recall ever using this brand before, but just playing around with everything, it does seem like really nice, like a really nice formula for sure. So we've got the nice deepening shades over here, the nice everyday, the nice go to the evening kind of look. So I think that for me, this is definitely a palette that I can get down with for sure. I mean, I do like the color story. All right, guys, so that is everything is that everything? Yeah, that is everything in our Ipsy box for the month of November. And funny enough, I have to say, like, I thought it was a good mix. The only change up would have to be, I wish this was just the regular mascara. Other than that, I'm pleased to get a spray toner. I'm excited. I really hope this is exactly like the bubble mask that I'm hoping it is. If it's not, I'll probably be so ho-hum. But at the same time, my esthetician is always like, you got to work on your T-zone, girl. I've always had an issue with my T-zone, like ever since I was in high school. I remember being told back then, like, you need to exfoliate, you need to make sure you're using like something to clean that out. For me, I'm excited to try this out for sure. I'm honestly most surprised by this lippy because, like I said, at first when I was looking at it, I was like, ew, that's going to be too warm. I don't think I'm going to like the undertone. Swatch, y'all. Make sure to swatch your products because had I not swatched that, I would have just chucked it to the side and never used it, but I really like it, and I think the undertone is exactly what I was looking for. Anyways, can't complain. I do think that this box was pretty good. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Of course, when December 1st rolls around, you can jump in there, you can shop, you can make your picks for your box. They also sent over the icon box, so that video is either up or it will be coming up. I haven't unboxed it yet, so we'll see what future Rhonda does. I don't know. We shall see. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. If you are on a health and wellness journey, you are curious about peptides, you're struggling with type 2 diabetes, definitely make sure to check out my other channel, Hotmess in the House. I'm doing more and more what I eat in a day's grocery hauls, talking about my peptide and GLP-1 journey, dealing with type 2 diabetes, and just getting my body in check so much healthier than it was. We're talking inflammation is down. We are talking game changer. So anyways, if you're into fashion hauls, Hotmess Momma Vlogs is my fashion haul channel that I'm constantly uploading on. You can also find me over on TikTok, Instagram, and LTK at Hotmess Momma 4. If you are interested in picking up the new Ipsy subscription, of course, I'm going to have an affiliate code for you all down in my description. I will also pin it in the comment section for you guys. I want to thank you guys so much again for being here. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky.
With you, I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.